BYD versus Tesla. EV sales surge. Who will win the electric race? Hey there, electric car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intense competition between two automotive giants in the electric car industry. Did you know that in 2020, China became the world's largest electric car market, surpassing both Europe and the US combined? Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in the EV world. Welcome to my video on China's BYD versus Tesla in the electric car race. These two companies have been making waves in the industry, and today, we'll explore who might be leading the charge. China's BYD posted a 21% rise in second quarter electric vehicle sales, closing the gap with Tesla after handing back the world's top EV vendor title to the US rival in the first quarter. BYD sold 426,039 EVs in the April to June quarter, according to Reuters calculations based on its monthly sales reports. That is almost 18,000 vehicles fewer than Tesla's vehicle deliveries for the second quarter, but far closer than the more than 86,000 gap in the prior quarter. Tesla's second quarter deliveries fell by a smaller than expected 4.8% to 443,956 vehicles on Tuesday, but that still marked the first time the U.S. firm posted two straight quarters of decline as it deals with stiff competition in China and slow demand due to a lack of affordable new models. Price cuts and incentives helped Tesla beat expectations, however, pushing shares up about 5% in morning trading. Tesla's China-made EV sales in June fell 24.2% from a year earlier to 71,007, according to data from China Passenger Car Association, CPCA, extending a year-on-year decline for a third month. Tesla has hit a speed bump after years of rapid growth that helped make it the world's most valuable automaker. It warned in January that deliveries growth in 2024 would be notably lower as a boost from months-long price cuts wanes. The EV maker has cut output of its best-selling Model Y electric car by a double-digit percentage number at its Shanghai plant since March to address weakening demand for its aged models in China, its second-largest market after the United States, Reuters reported in May. By comparison, its top Chinese competitor BYD maintained steady growth in EV sales, while EV upstarts such as NIO reported stellar growth last quarter. NIO's vehicle deliveries in the second quarter more than doubled to 57,300 units. Price cuts and a growing shift in consumer demand to EVs and hybrids from gasoline-powered vehicles are the main reasons behind Chinese EV makers' strong sales in recent months, said Cui Dongshu, Secretary General at CPCA. Sales of new energy vehicles including EVs and plug-in hybrids in China made up 46.7% of total car sales in May, a fresh monthly high, as per CPCA data. Of late, BYD garnered a lot of attention as it was the only carmaker sponsoring the Euro 2024 tournament. BYD is competing with Elon Musk's Tesla to be the world's largest electric carmaker, with Europe as a key export market. However, BYD faces challenges as the EU considers imposing tariffs on its products. Warren Buffett's company started investing in Shenzhen-based BYD in 2008, purchasing approximately 225 million shares for $230 million, which was about a 10% stake at the time. They began disclosing sales in August 2022, following a more than 20-fold increase in BYD's share price, and 2 months after it reached a record high. The EU has pointed to alleged unfair subsidies for BYD, Geely, and state-owned SAIC Motor. If confirmed after negotiations with China, BYD could face tariffs of 17.4%, aimed at protecting the European car industry and its 3 million workers. Despite this, many experts believe tariffs alone won't slow BYD's progress in Europe's car market. For BYD's founder, Wang Chuanfu, tariffs from the US and the EU signify the growing strength of China's car industry. Wang studied metallurgy in Hunan province before founding BYD as a battery company in 1995. He initially secured Motorola and Nokia as customers, then acquired a bankrupt car factory in 2003 to produce hybrids. Since then, Wang has grown BYD into the world's second-largest battery maker, behind only Chinese rival CATL, and the world's second-largest electric car maker, briefly surpassing Tesla at the end of 2023. BYD's 21% jump in quarterly EV sales is a significant milestone in the electric vehicle industry. It shows that the market is dynamic and rapidly evolving, with new challengers rising to meet the demand for sustainable transportation. As consumers, we stand to benefit the most from this competition. Now, before we end, I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on BYD's progress? Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on electric car news and check out other related videos on our channel. Let's keep the conversation going.